Hey there, welcome back to our show, Tech Fit in Mind. Today we're joined by Ian Chapman, Principal Digital Designer and Regional Digital Lead at JBA Consulting. With nearly 20 years in the AEC space, Ian's been right in the thick of the industry's digital transformation. From old school drafting to immersive model-based collaboration, he's seen it all. Let's jump into his story. So, Ian, tell us a bit about yourself, your name, your company, and what you do there.
Sure thing. I'm Ian Chapman, Principal Digital Designer and Regional Digital Lead at JBA Consulting. I spend most of my days focused on the projects we're delivering across the south of the UK, making sure we've got the right people on the right jobs and that they're equipped with the tools and know-how to bring designs to life digitally. I also contribute to our company's broader digital strategy, keeping an eye on emerging AEC tech and sharing best practices across the business.
It's a lot of hats, but let's take it back. What first got you into this world of AEC?
It actually started back in school. I was never the most artistic kid, but I really enjoyed technical drawing. I loved how it was this precise, repeatable process, an iterative way of communicating ideas visually. That eventually led me into digital drawing and modeling, and that spark kind of just never left.
2 decades in, you've no doubt seen the field evolve quite a bit. What stands out as the biggest shift?
Definitely the integration of 3D models into collaborative workflows. When I started, drawings were still mostly 2D. Now it's all about shared digital environments where everyone from architects to engineers can work off the same model. It's been a game changer.
And what keeps you motivated in your role today?
Honestly, it's seeing a project come to life and knowing I had a hand in it. There's something really satisfying about that. Plus, the pace of change in our industry keeps me on my toes. I'm always learning something new, and that's both exciting and rewarding.
Anyone or anything that's influenced your journey along the way?
I've always been inspired by innovation, just seeing how fast the industry evolves and being part of that evolution. It's pushed me to stay curious, to experiment with new tools, and to never get too comfortable with how things have always been done.
Speaking of tools, how has tech changed the way you design?
It's made collaboration so much smoother. Using common data environments, working from that single source of truth, helps us all stay aligned. And it lets me produce digital designs I actually enjoy working on. I remember one project where we pushed a bit further into 3D visualization, and the client's reaction, just amazing. That kind of impact really sticks with you.
And if you could wave a magic wand and invent a new feature, what would it do?
An automated QA tool across the project lifecycle would be a dream. It'd streamline quality control, save time, and reduce manual checks. We're getting closer with some tools, but a fully integrated solution would be a big win.
Let's shift gears a bit. How do you stay balanced in such a fast-paced profession?
Every day, no matter what, I take a lunchtime walk, whether I'm at home or in the office. Getting outside for a bit resets my head. And on weekends, I'm either hiking or planning my next bikepacking adventure. Being outdoors helps me recharge and get ready to tackle whatever comes next.
Love that. Any tech that supports your fitness?
Definitely. I'm big on heart rate monitors and geo-tracking. After a good ride or workout, it's great to see the stats. But more than that, it keeps me accountable and makes the whole experience more engaging.
And when things get hectic, how do you stay mentally focused?
OneNote is my secret weapon. It keeps all my notes, sketches, and ideas in one place. That organization gives me peace of mind, especially when juggling multiple projects. But looking ahead, I think we could do even better. A broader appreciation across the industry for what goes into producing 3D models would really help set realistic expectations and cut down on stress.
That's a great point. Last couple questions. Can you recall a time when a tech tool sparked creativity or helped simplify a tough challenge?
Absolutely. Tools like the Corridor section editor in Civil 3D always give me that aha moment. They help me break down complex designs visually, which makes problem solving way easier. Same goes for federated models in Navisworks. They let you really interrogate how different disciplines fit together.
And finally, any tips for AEC pros looking to keep learning and stay sharp?
Stay connected, use every comms channel available, network with others in the industry, locally and globally. People are pushing boundaries all over the world, and staying plugged in means you're constantly exposed to new ideas.
Well, that's a wrap. Huge thanks to Ian Chapman for sharing his journey, insights, and tips with us. Whether you're deep in digital delivery or just starting out in AEC, there's something here for everyone. Keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Tech Fit and Mind.